This diagram shows how the clap crate can be used to build a command line interface, or CLI, in Rust, and CLI apps allow users to run commands and pass options. Clap provides an easy way to define the commands, arguments, options, etc. that your program will accept, and this is done through Rust code that sets up Clap. The CLI definition gets compiled into the finished program executable that users can run. So when a user runs the CLI application, they pass in commands, options as text, and Clap parses these and in turn makes them structured data your code can use. So your main Rust code gets the parsed arguments from Clap and performs the intended actions based on what the user passes in. And then Clap will remove a lot of the boilerplate that would normally be needed to parse text input, handle help messages, and do error checking. So the end result is that users will have a nice interface to control an application via the terminal, and Rust code can focus on core logic instead of CLI passing. And when you look at the diagram, you can see a simple flow here. In fact, Clap has lots of options, and you can even build subcommands and nested options as well. And then finally, the binary that gets built in the target directory can be passed along to the user.